Hello guys, I'm Karen. Welcome to my channel. Christmas, New Year, Valentine's Day is coming. I believe no one can resist good luck. So in today's video, I want to make a Japanese-style Maneki Neko cell phone chain. It can be used as a keychain or a handbag chain to carry your good luck everywhere. Here are what we need. A silver Sheen Obsidian Lucky Cat charm. And there's a Chinese character Fu, blessing, in the middle and with a hole at the back. And then a handmade fabric band, also in red. The Maneki Neko is a Japanese name of this cat. It's known to bring you good luck and help you attract wealth. I will use 0.8 mm red braided cord to attach the charm to this ring. I filmed a video of how to do it before. It was a jadeite pendant. If you haven't watched that, click the above link. All parts here are available at my store, DIYnotion.com, and we are doing a 30% off holiday promotion.